All right, your marketing is not generating leads, your pipeline's too small, and everybody's turning to you saying, hey, dude, what are you going to do with the marketing pipeline to make me some money? And in this video, I'm going to cover the 3 areas to look at to make a massive overhaul in just 90 days. Now, before we get into the marketing thing, if you guys want to see how to completely overhaul your sales pipeline in 90 days, check out this video. I'm Milan with Milan Media, and for the last 11 plus years, we have been helping B2B companies with their marketing and sales. And for the last 25 years, I've been in this market of just trying to make people money. It's what I do best, and it's what I love to do to help people out. Number 1, I want you to look at all of your current customers, all of your past customers, people that haven't bought from you in a while, and I want you to send them some content. And you're looking for a hard right hook here. It's not just like, hey, look at these things that we can do. It doesn't have to be super subtle. I want you to go in for the kill. Hey, want to see what you guys are up to with X, Y, and Z. We've got this new product. We got this new service. Want to see if you guys are interested. I thought you'd be a good fit. That's the level of intensity you want to be. You don't have to be crazy with it. You have to say, buy from me now. But you need to look at them. They have previously built trust with you 100% to purchase from you in the past. You probably haven't nurtured that. You probably haven't followed up a ton. You probably haven't put them in any sort of marketing email campaign to continue that relationship. And that's probably not doing you any good with your marketing funnel. So I want you to take a look at everybody and be like, what can I sell every single customer? Ooh, a service program, a maintenance program, this type of thing. What new service or product or something is it that you have that you could possibly be like, hey, this would be a good fit with you. I want you to push it out there to every single person immediately. This is not something that has to go through design, iteration, and copy. Who cares? You're looking to just get a touch point with all current and past customers to let them know, hey, I'm still here and I'm looking to do more business with you. Number 2 is going to be start an email sequence. Not a marketing email, an email sequence, a one-to-one email in your CRM to every single person that you have. If you've got 46,000 people in your CRM or 4,600, doesn't matter. Everybody needs to be touched. No holds bar. You have to go after everybody hard and be like, hey, what do you guys have going on? I'm looking to do X, Y, and Z. So you have to match the email copy, obviously, to whatever it is that your business does, service or products. And you need to be able to say, hey, we're looking for more business, not in that way. But an example could be like, hey, want to touch base? It's been a while. I want to see, are you guys currently having one of these 3 issues? Love to jump on a call in the next 1 or 2 weeks to reach out and see if we can have a conversation. It's that level of things. You don't have to go into like, these are all the things that we do and show up and throw up content and be like, these are our specs, these are our features, these are the ways that we can help you. You just want to say like, are you having any of these issues? If you are, I'd love to have a quick conversation with you. Simple 1 to 2, 3 sentence email with a looking to have a conversation, not a link to PDFs, not a link to case studies, not a link to your website. Just a simple, I'm looking to do these things. Do you guys have these issues? Can we have a conversation? To every single person. Again, don't go through a whole lengthy process like on the marketing emails where you're like, I got to get the copy right and the system right, all that. No, it's about speed. You're looking to make drastic improvements to your pipeline from a marketing standpoint. You only got 90 days to do it. So imagine you got this job back that you have right now and you're like, I only got 90 days to turn this thing around. I'm going to go in here, I'm going to crush it and make a massive flip in the pipeline to take them from not much coming in to a massive amount of people coming in. In order to do that, you got to go speed is king and move extremely quick. Every single person, I don't care if they didn't respond to something 2 years ago, every single person in your CRM system needs to get some sort of touch point. And then now that covers your CRM standpoint. What does your LinkedIn network look like? How many connections do you have with potential customers and potential leads? Every single one of those people also needs to get a message from you. Go to their profile. Hopefully you know your network, do some filter searches, be able to say, I'm looking for these job functions in these industries. Who am I currently connected with? Message every single one of them. If you want to go down the path of doing some automation, we have some tricks for that we can't share, but we do it from an automation standpoint. And I want to reach out to every single person. There's tons of platforms out there that do it. So just do a quick Google search and you can see, how do I message people at scale on LinkedIn that I'm already connected with? Now, on the flip side of that, you should be building your LinkedIn network. And hopefully you've followed my content for the last couple of years to talk about how important that is to talk to somebody, connect with them, send out connection requests every week, and build out that network and create content that's valuable or entertaining to them. But even if you haven't, your current network base is open for you to go out there and reach out to them the same way you do with your email marketing through your CRM system. And lastly, number 3, you want to go look at the most popular page on your website. Go to Google Analytics, type top landed on page and top most visited page. And if they're the same thing, at least the most visited page, you want to go there and make some sort of adjustment or change to the copy, to the picture, to the layout, to the structure, add more stuff to it. The call to action, you want to do CRO or conversion rate optimization for people that are landing on that page. How do I convert that existing traffic better? Again, you can make this a super simple design. You don't need to go through anything fancy. You're looking to just say, this is where I have, and this is what people see. And I'm trying to increase the amount of people that click this button to fill out a form and have us contact them and set up a meeting to then try and work that through the pipeline. It does not have to be super fancy. You do not need to go through 5 different layers and get everybody's opinion, like what should it look like? None of that's going to matter. Everybody can sit in a room and say, this is what we think is going to work. But at the end of the day, the market's going to tell you what's going to work. So jump in there. If you're not a web designer and not a web developer, hopefully you got a simple platform like WordPress or something like that. Just go in there and make changes. Changes to the word, not drastic because you could impact organic SEO, but changes to the wording, adding a call to action, swap out some images, add a new section of a row, throw in some blog articles, add a pop-up to that page where when people go to that page and they're on it for 7 seconds, a pop-up comes and says like, hey, are you interested in this? And it's maybe some survey you created, but you're looking to take existing traffic that's already coming to your site and how can I get 2, 3, 4 people, maybe per day, maybe per week, depending on your business. How can I get those many people to convert to a possible opportunity and a lead that I can then throw into my sales team to qualify? So just to recap, you're going to look at all current and past customers, reach out to them. You're looking to do business, go for that right hook. You're going to look at every single person in your CRM system and your LinkedIn network, reach out to all of those quickly, all at once. You want to handle this very fast. This is not something that you drip out over 90 days. 90 days from now, you want your pipeline change. You have to do massive action today. And the third is going to be look at the most visited page on your site. What little changes can I make to possibly improve the click rate optimization? And if that doesn't change in 2 weeks to 30 days, then make another micro adjustment to try and harness all the existing eyes and attention on your brand to try and convert some of that traffic a little bit more. If you got value out of this content, share it with somebody you know, and be sure to check out all these other videos.